winds. Look at the winds. All right. I'm really scared right now, guys. Guys, look at this. It's literally a tornado, guys. Literally a tornado. I want to go outside. Hold on, guys. Oh, look at the branches. Look at the branches. Look at the water. It's literally raining right now. It's raining right now. I just shit my pants. Oh my god. Yo! Holy crap. A branch. Look at the driveway. Look at my driveway. Oh my god. This thing is... Yo! What tree did that just come from? Yo! Yo! I'm so freaking scared right now, guys. Like, look at the water here. Look at this. This is fresh water. It was just downpouring. I think I just heard a siren. Guys. Holy shit, am I tripping? I just heard a siren. It just went... Wah, wah. Like, look at this. All these leaves. Look how much water. Bird, get home. This is scary, guys. This is really freaking scary. Yo, look at the wind, bro. The wind's crazy, bro. Look. Look at the rain droplets. Holy freaking butthole stinky tard. Everything is blowing away right now. Look at the stick, bro. This is the stick. It just freaking... There's a tornado. We are in Massachusetts right now. Middlesex, Massachusetts has a tornado warning, and we might die. So, if we die, I love you guys. Please follow. Like, you know how Oliver Tree just died? He has like 2 million followers now. 200 million followers. You guys do that to me. Follow me. And make sure that if I die, the door's going crazy over there. Look at the leaves. But if I die, I want you guys to give me to 1,000 followers. Thank you guys. Turn it!